Welcome back to Forever Salon. Today, Jay Bhatti, the owner of the salon as well as our main hairstylist, will create a stunning layered haircut with soft face framing curtain bangs. Let's get started. Before starting the haircut, it is very vital to get a consultation in to know what the client needs and want for the day-to-day life. This client in particular wanted curtain bangs and layers, which is a great way to add softness and shape to any haircut. The bangs gently frame the face while layers create volume and effortless flow. For today's cut, we're keeping the length by adding long blended layers to enhance natural movement. The curtain bangs will start at chin length and seamlessly blend into the rest of the hair. A great cut always starts with a clean canvas. Let's head to the wash station. Cleansing the hair is essential before any haircut. A nourishing shampoo removes buildup, while a scalp massage promotes healthy hair growth and relaxation. As you can see, our salon is pretty booked today. We also do nails, facials, and many other things. Check out our website for that. We're starting with a structured trim, focusing on removing split ends and reshaping the overall style. A fresh cut helps retain hair strength and prevents breakage further. Layers add depth and movement, making styling easier and more versatile. When you air dry or heat style, this cut will keep its shape effortlessly. A well-balanced cut ensures the hair falls naturally and stays easy to maintain. Curtain bangs require a soft featherish finish, not too blunt, so they effortlessly blend into the rest of the hair. The key for a perfect layered is blending. No harsh lines, just soft movement that enhances the hair's natural shape. Now, to finish this and bring this hair to life, let's blow dry it. Blow drying the curtain bangs is all about technique. Using a round brush, we lift them at the roots and sweep them outwards for a perfect effortless flip. For the rest of the hair, we're creating soft voluminous finish. The layers flow beautifully, giving that airy salon-fresh look. To complete the look, a lightweight wax enhances definition and tames away any flyaway. And that's it, a fresh, modern, layered cut with soft face framing curtain bangs. This style is versatile, easy to maintain, and effortlessly chic. If you love this transformation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair tutorials and styling tips. See you in the next one. Bye!